Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Do you know what? That today is the last day of the week. So let's see. Do you think it's Monday? No. Do you think it's Tuesday? No, because that's the second day. Do you think that it's Wednesday? Not really. Do you think it's Thursday? We're getting there. Nope. It's Friday. Very good. Today is Friday. Are you ready for the weekend? Miss Anna is super ready. Are you ready? Okay, so now that we know the date of the week, that it's Friday, we are gonna take out the calendar and we are gonna see the date. Okay, so today is Friday. And now, do you know the month? Excellent, June. And do you know the year? 2020. Very good. So now what we have to do is that you need to get pencil and paper. I am waiting. Go and get it. And you need to write the date like Miss Anna is gonna write it over here. Look, it says Friday, then it says June, and the year 2020. And you have got to write down the date, okay? The number. Okay? Very good. So now that we know the date, we are gonna see what's the weather like today. Are you ready? Let's go. What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Today is... Go, have a look out the window and tell me whether it's sunny, whether it's cloudy, whether it's windy, or whether it's rainy. What's the weather like today? And you have to tell me, today is cloudy, today is sunny, today is windy, or perhaps today is rainy. Okay, and now that we know the weather, we are gonna count from 1 to 100. Are you ready? We need to learn the numbers and we need to know how to count. Are you ready? Let's go.
Are you ready? Let's count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you ready? Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won! Yay! 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won!
Okay, so now that we have listened to the song, we are gonna read you how to write and also the name, in case you forgot, means of transport. What is a means of transport? Do you know? Very good. An example of one mean of transport is how do you go to school every day? By car. Very good. So look, this over here is a car. How do we write car? Go, try and write it. And I'm gonna give you the answer. But while I'm speaking now, I'm giving you time to write car. How do you write it? Very good, like this over here. Car. Very good. Now let's see. Other people, or when we go on a trip, like when we went to the museum, how did we get to the museum? We went by one that is long and big. Bus. Very good. And how do we write bus? Very easy. Very good, like this. B, of up go umbrellas, and s, bus. Very good. Now, let's see. When you don't have a car or you don't want to use it and you hail because you stop, what do you stop to get somewhere? A taxi. Very good. Look, this over here is a taxi. And how do we write it? Taxi. Taxi. Very good. Like this over here. T, a, x, and e. Very good. Of Inky the Mouse. Excellent. Now, let's see. One that has only two wheels. And you can also use it. Very good. A bicycle or a bike. Very, very good. Now, how do we write bicycle? This one is difficult. Look how we write it. It starts with letter B, and then we have to write the one of Inky the Mouse. Very good. Look, it's really, really difficult. It also has the one of yogurt, but here it sounds E. Okay, now, after the bicycle, what is the means of transport that Vic uses in the song? Vic drives. What does he drive? Very good. A van. A van that is like a car, but bigger and smaller than a bus. And how do we write van? Very good. Like this. Easy. And then there is one that in the song of Jolly Phonics, they say ship ahoy. That is like a boat, but bigger. Miss Anna already said it. What is this? Very good. It's a ship. Ship. Not a sheep. No. A ship. Very good. And you write it sh, e, and p. Look how you write it. Sh, e, p. Very good. Excellent. So those are some means of transport that you already know, but now we are revising, okay? Because we are gonna finish the school year and you have to be ready to go to primary. This you already have to know. So now, if you're ready, we are gonna have a look at the activities. Let's have a look. Okay, so today, Friday the 12th of June, let's see. Shapes. You've got to color them depending on the number that you're given, okay? So over here we've got triangles. And how many do we have to color? 4. Very good. Here we've got, what is the name of this shape? Ovals. And how many do we have to color? 2. Very good. Here we have got squares. And how many do we have to color? 5. Very good. Circles. How many circles do we have to color? 8. You need to count them, okay? Carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many rectangles? 1. And finally, 6 stars. Very good. Count them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look, you've got to color them all. Now, here, this one is difficult, okay? You need to concentrate. You've got to write whatever it is, and you've got the answers here. So you've got to read them and then drop them here, okay? Write them. For example, what is this animal? Cow. Very good. So look, this here is a cow. What is this here? This one is super difficult. It's called a snout, which is this word over here, snout. This is an owl. Very good. Look here, you've got owl. This speaker is super loud. Look over here. Now this is a house, and you already know house. The arrow is pointing up or down? Down. Very good. So we have to write down. This is the queen wears a crown. Very good. So you have to write it. Where do you see crown? Here. Very good. This is a mouth. Very good. And finally, a cloud. So look, answers. Cow, snout, owl, loud, house, down, crown, mouth, and cloud. You have to write them, okay? Very good. And here you have got to color each of the shapes the 3D shapes that we looked at last week, in a different color. So look, the cube has to be red. The cylinder has to be orange. The cone has to be yellow. The sphere green and the prism blue. So for example, this is a rectangular prism. Do you see that it's the same shape? So we color it blue. Now this, what is this? Very good, a cone like this. So we color it yellow. What is this? A dice, which is a cube. So we color it red. And look, this is also a cube. Do you see? And this one here. So they have to be blue. And what about this? What is it? It's a sphere. Very good. Like the bowl, like the fish bowl. Very good. So what color do we color it, the sphere? Green. Very good. Now let's see. What is this? And this. And this. It's a cylinder. Very good. So this one, and this one, we have to color orange. Very good. These are cubes. So what color was the cube? Read. Red. Very good. This we said it was orange. And this one is a rectangular prism. Very good. So blue. The cone of the ice cream is a cone. So we color it yellow. What is the book? Very good, a rectangular prism. And these two are spheres. So we color them green. This one is tricky, okay? Today you need to concentrate and it's Friday, okay?
So that's all for today. I hope you have a lovely weekend. And remember that I see you on Monday, okay? Bye-bye. Have a lovely weekend. Mwah.